It's no secret that modern businesses require companies to be able to easily trade with one another. One of the first things a company can do to ensure a smooth working relationship with its customers and partners is to have an easy and efficient EDI onboarding process. So what does this typical EDI onboarding process look like? This image lays out the 6 common steps of the EDI onboarding process. 1. EDI Partner Campaign. This outlines the project in its totality. The goal is for both partners to gain an understanding of the resources involved and to get buy-in from all business entities for alignment. 2. EDI Partner Questionnaire. The partner questionnaire helps both partners understand respective requirements such as communication methods and SLA needs. 3. EDI Profile Creation. Used to decide how partners are going to connect. Since there is no standard way of connecting to a trading partner, this step is crucial for determining the configuration of maps. 4. EDI Provisioning. Provisioning determines your own infrastructure needs, including creating and configuring of maps to meet the integration security and other requirements. EDI Testing. Used to test EDI communication and transformation with both partners in test environments. Oftentimes the most difficult step, EDI testing requires both partners to work on the same time frame. Number 6, deployment. The final step of trading partner onboarding is deployment. The deployment step moves the testing environment into production. Reporting, monitoring, and analysis should all be firing properly, with full visibility into each transaction. Once deployment has been completed, a trading partner has been onboarded. We've compiled 4 of the problems that most frequently arise during the EDI onboarding process. Number 1, lack of control. Control is essential for keeping a business on track towards hitting specific goals and targets. When a business opts to outsource onboarding to a managed service provider, they're in danger of losing full control. Reason being, a managed service provider controls the onboarding timeline and process, not the business. For example, if there are onboarding requests from other companies already in the queue, a new request will fall in line behind them. It could take days or weeks until a business request reaches the top of the queue, and only then the managed service provider proceeds with the onboarding. When considering managed services, businesses should regularly check in with how much control they're willing to give up, as well as assess the pros and cons. 2. Lack of flexibility. A recurring issue that companies face when onboarding new trading partners is that 2 businesses may communicate with different data types. This is not intrinsically bad. However, it becomes a problem when integration platforms lack the flexibility and capability of translating various forms of data. If a company is using an integration platform that cannot translate the new trading partner's data, then the 2 businesses cannot automatically communicate. This means that the companies will likely not be able to conduct business, since near instantaneous communication is required to stay competitive in today's fast-paced world. Number 3, lack of internal expertise. Stemming from lack of control comes a lack of internal expertise. Oftentimes, when a company does not have internal expertise, they pursue outsourcing to managed service providers. When there's a lack of internal expertise, it becomes difficult to verify if the work managed service providers performed is completely correct. If the managed service provider does not complete the onboarding correctly or does not go through with the job, these issues may go unknown to the company. These issues may persist for months or years until the problem is discovered. Number 4, lack of visibility. Visibility into onboarding trading partners is also crucial because it allows a company to see in real time the progress being made on projects. Companies can use the information to identify the anticipated onboarding completion time. This will also help inform them when they can start expecting orders to arrive so they can prepare accordingly. Most managed service providers do not offer extensive insight into their process or data. Without visibility, a company must wait until the managed service provider communicates and updates and informs the person. Is there a single solution that can solve all 4 of the common issues we reviewed? Yes. Cleo's flagship product, Cleo Integration Cloud. Cleo Integration Cloud is a cloud-based integration process, purpose-built to design, build, operate, and optimize crucial ecosystem integration processes. The Cleo Integration Cloud platform brings end-to-end integration visibility across API, EDI, and non-EDI integrations that give the technical and business users the confidence to rapidly onboarding trading partners, enable integration between applications, and accelerate revenue-generating business processes. If you're interested in learning more, contact us on Cleo.com.